Hello friends, this is SRIKANTH PREM pursuing BTech 4th year from GRIT. We have done our main project on document clustering using one pass assignment under the esteemed guidance of K. Anuradha ma'am along with SWAPNEEL, PAWAR, SANTOSH, VARMA and BHARGAV. Introduction. Document clustering is the process of grouping documents with similar contents. Some of the applications of document clustering are information retrieval, text classification and document summarization. In this paper we proposed an approach called one pass assignment for document clustering. Here the documents are grouped into clusters by selecting a threshold value and comparing this threshold value with the calculated similarity values. Similarity can be calculated by using cosine formula. The cosine formula is nothing but d1 dot d2 by magnitude of d1 into magnitude of d2. d1 dot d2 is the dot product of term frequency matrix values of two documents. Now, what is one pass assignment? One pass assignment is used to form clusters with minimum overhead, in which one pass of all the documents is used to assign documents to different clusters. Procedure. Initially, a collection of documents is taken, that is called as data set. Now, tokenization is applied to each document. After applying tokenization, pre-processing is applied. In pre-processing stage, there are some methods. After following those methods, we obtain a vector space model, that is term frequency matrix. This term frequency matrix is converted to inverse document frequency matrix. Now finally, one pass assignment algorithm is applied to this TF-IDF matrix in order to obtain clusters. Tokenization. Tokenization is the process of breaking a stream of text into words, phrases, symbols or other meaningful elements called tokens. For example, sample.txt is a file that contains some text called, this is a sample file to demonstrate tokenization process. Now after applying tokenization, sample.txt is converted into tokens.txt, which will look something like this. This is a sample file to demonstrate tokenization process, etc. All these are small tokens that are obtained after the process of tokenization. Now pre-processing. We need to pre-process the documents and build vector space model before applying the algorithm. Pre-processing consists of the following steps: removal of stop words, stemming, etc. Stop words. What are stop words? Stop words are nothing but many of the frequently used words in English are worthless in retrieval and text mining. These words are called stop words. Some of the examples of stop words are the, of and to. Now why do we need to remove stop words? Because it will reduce indexing and also it will reduce the file size. It is also used to improve efficiency. Now stemming. Stemming is nothing but reducing a word to its stem or root form. For example, consigned, consignment, consigning, etc. All these are converted to consign. Consign is nothing but a root word. Now term frequency matrix. A term frequency matrix or document term matrix is a matrix that describes the frequency of terms that occur in collection of documents. This is a sample term frequency matrix which contains the first row contains the document names and the terms. The number 0 that you can see here is the number of times the term 1 has repeated in document 1, and the number 7 indicates the number of times the term 2 occurred in document 1, so on. Now this term frequency matrix is converted into term frequency inverse document frequency matrix. Inverse document frequency matrix can be calculated using the formula TF-IDF matrix of ij is equals to TF into log of n by ni. Here TF is nothing but term frequency. Now capital N is nothing but the number of documents. Small n I is the number of documents in which the term I is present. Algorithm. This is our main algorithm, that is one pass assignment algorithm. In this, step 1 is initially first document is assigned to first class. Now each additional document is compared to the centroids of the existing classes. A threshold is chosen and similarity is calculated. Step 4, if the document similarity value is greater than the threshold, it is assigned to the class with the highest similarity. Step 5, a new centroid has to be calculated for the modified class. Now step 6, if the similarity of all the existing centroids is less than the threshold, then the document is assigned to a new class. Step 7, repeat the above steps until all the documents are assigned to classes. Now project execution. This is our applet. First we have to browse the input file, that is data set. This files folder contains all the input files. Now we have to apply tokenization. So press on token button. In the command prompt you can see that after the process of tokenization the message will be displayed as file tokenization completed. Now we have to remove the stop words, so click stop words button. Now we have to give here the stop words file name, which we gave the name as stopwordslist.txt. Now press enter. The process will go on, and all the stop words in each document will be removed. Finally, a message will be displayed saying that the documents are like completed tokenization. Sorry, stop words. You can see on the command prompt for in each document, after removing the stop words, the file contents are displayed. Now you can see on the command prompt that message that stop words is completed. Now the final step, we have to apply the final step by pressing stemming, and then press submit. You can observe on the command prompt that the number of documents that we have taken is 800, and the number of terms that are present in those documents are 665. Finally, you will obtain the output that is nothing but clusters. So you can see on the screen command prompt that the 4 clusters are obtained. In cluster 1 there are files called CAC 1002, 103, so on, etc. All these files are similar in nature. That means it contains similar contents. And cluster 2 contains some file names like sys 132, 136, 137. This means that all these files are similar. Similarly, cluster 3 also contains similar documents, and cluster 4 also contains similar documents. Finally, we have printed the precision and recall values. So you can see the precision for the first cluster is 0.83, and recall is 0.82, and the F measure is 0.82. Final accuracy of our project is 84.36%. Thank you.